Dear student, how are you all? I think everyone are fine there. So today we are going to begin with the part 2 of the lesson number 1, the fun they had of the book first. Okay, so this is a glossary portion here, and the lesson number first, the fun they had, written by Isaac Asimov. Okay, Isaac Asimov. So this is a writer for this lesson. So student, what we had studied about this lesson in the previous video? Fine. So just recall about the previous memories, what we had knew about this lesson. See, we have discussed about the old form of this education with a new form of the education. In the old form of the education, what we had practiced in this generation, in this century. If you go more and more old form of the education, old way of education, under the people tree, a teacher with a book and he is handling a many number of students on a single platform. But now what happened? Due to the pandemic, due to the epidemic, the way of education, okay, the scenario of the education is totally changed. How it was changed? See, first it was where children will gather at the same place and they used to study. And these kind of epidemic and pandemic made the children or a student to sit in their own home and watch the monitor where the teacher is going to taught them through new technologies. This is what we have discussed in the previous video, and we discussed the merits and the demerits of this, okay, of the online classes. So today we are going to begin with page number 7, and what is there in the paragraph number 6 we are going to go through again. Okay, so here in this lesson you got how many characters? So there till now we had 3 characters. How many characters? 3 characters. They are, first is a she. Who is she? She is Margie. Okay, Margie. And another one is he. Who is he? He is a Tommy. Who is he? Tommy. And another one is our old man, ancestor of Margie. So he is a grandfather. He is a grandfather. Fine. So here Margie is only how many years old? She is only 11 years old. And if we compares the Margie's age with Tommy, and he is 13 years old. Fine. So here in the previous video we have studied that Tommy got a book from his grandfather, and it is a very yellowish in color. It is used a many number of times from many number of peoples. So he is reading that book, and here Margie, who doesn't know about any kind of books, any kind of written scripts or any kind of written matter. So she is totally unaware about this. She only knows online teaching, and online teaching through the monitor where I can store plenty numbers of books, in the single folder. So she only knows that. When she sees him, okay, Tommy, reading a book, watching over the book and reading each and every single sentence, then Margie comments on Tommy. Hey Tommy, which kind of book you are reading? It is a very old one and it is very burdenable. Okay, it doesn't gives us an interest to read. So why you are reading it? Just keep it aside. It is old one, a yellowish color. I don't like this book. Here the Margie comments on Tommy, but the Tommy say that it is an old form of book. Though even I am also not likes this book because it is a very old one, yellowish and dirty book. So we can't pay any attention while reading this book. So we are totally used to with the monitors, with the desktop, where the running notes comes and it will move in front of our eyes. We no need to zoom that a particular page and read. So the running notes will come and they will go after, and it is a very easy form of studying. So this is what they are thinking about, and they are comparing the modern age education with the old age education. Understood? So this is what happened. And afterwards, what conversation taken place? A conversation is taken place among Margie and her mother. Now another fourth character comes here. Who is she? Mother. A mother of Margie. The mother of Margie is totally fed up with Margie, and she calls a mechanical engineer, a mechanical teacher. Okay, a mechanical teacher comes and he opens the Margie's monitor. Because the Margie's monitor was going too fast and she is scoring very less marks in her geography lessons. So that's why her mother called mechanical teacher. So he came and he opened the monitor, repaired the Margie's monitor, Margie's teacher, and placed it on the same place. Now Margie become totally angry. This mechanical teacher made my computer to run again. So I don't think it is a good one. Though what I was expecting, it should be taken by him for another 1 month. For the 1 month I will sit free and enjoy my life. What happened with the Tommy, where his history desktop was taken by the mechanical teacher, though it doesn't happen with the Margie. Though on the span of time, a mechanical teacher, another character we have, a mechanical teacher from England's countryside. Mechanical teacher, another character here, mechanical teacher repaired the Margie's computer properly, and now she can study well. And here the reason asked by Margie's mother to that mechanical teacher, what wrong happened to that monitor, or what wrong happened to the teacher of Margie's? Then he replied, the Margie's teacher is teaching somehow fast, that's why she is not understanding. Now I made her teacher somehow slow, now she can understand. So student, here the monitor is played by the human beings. Monitor in the sense of teacher, where teacher can be molded according to their demands. See, here the robot, where he teaches to the students on a click of a button. The robot have a plenty number of knowledge, how the robot has to teach, how which things he shouldn't teach. So this is what decided by the human beings, and these kind of system don't have any moral education. They are lagging some moral education. They cannot understand they can not read the child's brain, where he is going to go in the coming days, and what his psychology. This is what they are totally not unaware about this. So but here the time brings them to shift towards the online teaching. So at last what happens? Let's begin with the paragraph number 6. So Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily. So the new word came here, loftily. What it means? In a superior way. Okay, loftily. Okay, here we have written gloss characters. So student, did you knew about the characters? So these were the characters. So any new character comes, we will write here. Fine. So in the glossary we got a new word, loftily. What it means? It means a superior. Okay, a very precious one. The word loftily, in a superior way, you can write in a superior way. Okay, so in the lesson the loftily word is used by Tommy. Okay, why he used this word loftily? He used this word loftily to explain the Margie about the old form of the schools where their ancestors were studying. So it is in the form of superior, where many students can sit under the tree and they can teach, they can learn from the single teacher with a single book. Okay, pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago, Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Then Margie somehow became disappointment. Why you're scolding me? I don't know anything about the previous school because I am more smaller than you and you are bigger than me. Might be you know. Okay, all right, you are reading a book. Yes, all right, they have a teacher. Is it? So she got something clue from that. See here, the Margie's attitude is somehow unexpectable. So she is such kind of different kind of girl. Okay, if someone wants to teach her, she is not going to be accept. Whatever she thinks, it is a right one. This kind of girl she is. Okay. Now, everyone comes to page number 8 and keep your index finger just below to the first sentence. All right. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Okay. Now, the Tommy is telling to the Margie, yes, they have a teacher, but he is not a regular teacher because he is a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Here Margie questions, how could the man be a teacher? Then Tommy answers, yes, a man can be a teacher. He gives them homework and teach about the concept and tell them to write and get checked by him. Okay, 7th, a man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Okay, a man is not so smart. Even my father knows each and everything. Okay, as compared to that teacher. Here Margie is telling, okay, he is not as smart. Even my father is more intelligent than him. Here, he knows almost as much. I bacha. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I won't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Now, Margie is deciding that the man, how could he be a teacher to the student because my father knows more than him. But the Tommy tells him, yeah, your father knows more than him, but he is going to teach us, he is going to teach us, but we are not so talented than him now. That's why he is a teacher for us. Okay, then he explained him to whom? To Margie. Then Margie accepted. Okay, all right, fine, no problem. Then I will not allow that kind of teacher in my home to teach me. And again Tommy correct her. How he correct her? Tommy screamed with laughter. How? Ha ha ha. You don't know much? Margie, the teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They have one special building and all kids gather there, and when after the kids gather there, he will come by the door and he teaches his lesson and go away. So he is telling that. Okay, then here 8th paragraph. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now the Margie is correcting this Tommy, but my mother told me that teacher should be fitted in each and every mind of the student, and according to the psychology and the philosophy of the student, the teacher has to change the way of teaching. She tells to Tommy, just the same they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Now here Tommy says one silly answer. Alright, if you want to understand the concept, in any mood, in any situation, you can understand. If you say by your own heart and mind, no, I am not going to study, and sitting alone in the class, okay, in the group of the class, if you say, no, I don't want to learn, then how could you learn? Then how could you learn here? Okay. So here, Margie tells, my mother tells me that teacher should be taught in a good manner that everyone should understand. And here Tommy correct her. No, it's your wrong way of thinking. If you decide that you want to learn, at any circumstance you are going to learn. So it is not fault of the teacher. So here, then what Margie says? I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. But I didn't said that. I didn't like this kind of books in schools. But I want to know about this. Now what Tommy says, she wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie's school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Now, here Margie wants to learn more and more about the Tommy, about the schools and the books, and in between the Margie's mother called Margie. Hey you Margie, why you're wasting your time there? Come fast, your class is going to be begin because monitor is already started. And the name of the Margie's mother is Mrs. Jones. Fine. And she is telling, not yet mama, I don't want to come, I want to listen something. In between, okay, in between the Tommy's class is also going to begin, and he left that place where they were conversating. Now students, comes to the 9th paragraph. Now Tommy went to his place, and here Margie came back to her place. Now they are going to attend their online classes. And what happens in the paragraph 9th? Let's begin with this. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling. The dusty old book tackled beneath his arm. And after responding to that Margie, he kept his book under his arm and he went throughout the street. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest or enthusiasm, carelessly. So he is a 13-year-old boy and she is 11-year-old boy, and he is not showing any interest on her because she is an innocent, she don't know anything else. So that's why she don't want to give more knowledge. Okay, if he gives more knowledge, then she became confused. That's why in just a simple manner he says okay, all right, and he moves from there. Okay, Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. See what is happening. Margie had a classroom, a separate classroom beside to her own bedroom. See, if this happens with you all, then what happens? Might be you are showing some negligence, your physical condition will become so deteriorate, so you couldn't able to maintain your physical fitness also. Then what happens? It will become too used to, and it will affect your health also. Okay, if you are coming from your own bedroom, from your own house to another place by walk or by bicycle or another mode of communication, then what happens? You will remain fit. But here Margie has to wake up and get ready and get in her classroom and sit there and study what their mechanical teacher is teaching. Now the Margie is attending the class except Saturday and Sunday, 2 days holidays were there. How usual, what happens in the school. Fine. Now comes to page number 9th. Here we are going to begin. Okay, it is in last 2 or 3 paragraphs of the lesson. Let's begin with this. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. Okay, now what her mother's conception, what her mother's ideas, the little girls can learn very perfectly if they are going to learn in a regular basis. Now student, tell me, can anyone read or can anyone study at a regular basis from continuously 5 to 6 hours, from continuously 7 to 8 hours, from 23 hours, 24 hours, he or she is studying continuously? Can any be? Yes, he can or she can if she is preparing for the civil services exams. Otherwise, we can't set some 7 to 8 hours continuously for a study. So this is what her mother wants Margie to sit regularly basis for a better understanding of the lessons. So what she is doing? She is attending one class and missing another class. Again she is attending and missing another one. So this is what this girl is doing here. So this girl is not a punctual student. So irregularity is there in the attendance of the Margies. Fine. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Now the screen was on and today's class is all about arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. So today's class is based on the mathematics and the teacher is telling, please put your homework on the proper slot. Then I am going to start my class. This is what happening with the Margie. Margie did so with a shy. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. See, now the Margie is getting something in her brain, what Tommy said finally. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So what is happening here with the Margie? Margie is attending a mathematics class in front of the screen, and the mathematical technical teachers is teaching them, but she is not paying attention towards the screen. She is thinking about the previous school days, what her grandfather attended somewhere under the peepal tree, where all students will gather at the same place, and there is only one teacher with one book and the one concept for first to 10th standard student. How funny it will be. Everyone will understand the same concept. If someone not made the homework, another student help that irregular student. Yes or no? Now she is feeling, yeah, previous days are more better than these online classes. Now this Margie is thinking about the previous days, what Tommy told him by reading a book. So student, here we have completed the lesson number 1. Which one? Yes, the lesson 1. And here we have some question and answers, thinking about the text along with an activity. So for the time being, what you have to do, just watch this video from the beginning till end. Okay, revise each and everything properly, and whatever the difficult words here now, write it down in your literature notebook. So student, what you have to do, you have 2 books, is it? One is book number 1 and another one is book number 2. So you have to make one thick notebook, okay, of approximately 150 to 200 pages. Divide it into 2 parts, one for literature and one for book number 2, which is moments. All right, and whatever taught from the textbook, it should be written in one part, and whatever taught from the moments, it should be written in another part. Okay, if you got a thick notebook, it's okay, and otherwise purchase 2 notebooks, no problem, and make another notebook for the grammar. There should be 3, otherwise 2 notebook for the English subject. Understood, student? So whatever the characters here, just recall it and get more and more things about this lesson. In another video, we are going to discuss the question and answers and an introduction part of the coming lesson. So understood, student? This is what all about today's video. For the time being, take care, be safe in your home, and here your Prasad sir going to conclude this class. So take care, bye bye.